What do you want to Hyena?
Take photos. Come up with the seat. Come up with the seat. Get in the seat.
What are you doing here? What are you doing here, Mr. Hyena? They got their kill back.
Where's their... Please don't.
Hyena's too greedy.
I haven't. Get up on the seat to go up a seat and take photos.
I think the two hyenas, no? Yeah. I can hear another one somewhere this side.
I'm just moving the seats.
I'm still videoing.
The two hyenas. The other one's somewhere there.
Have you ever seen this?
I've never seen this.
Have you ever seen this?
This is new guys. Very aggressive. It's amazing. Come on, Hyena, are you tired?
Is he alive?
So be injured. Should be regretting how you came here. It's all about element of surprises, nature. Eh? You see, as I said, like the wild dogs can take the leopard out, just knock out the hyenas. Like, hyenas got very powerful jaws, but there's only one. Versus 11 and then 10. Yeah. Not being scared of the hyena. The hyena wants to run away with me. That's not the kid. Like, we're not going to lose this with out of one hyena.
Rob, take a picture.
The hyena did run away.
My pictures are shit.
Get over here, please.
Look at the hyena there. With all that fight he got on his back, he's not going to come back here.
I'm still
Respect
videotaping.
the wild dogs now. Look at that one, he's watching it. Ah, guys. This we just got on time to the show.
Oh my God.
I missed the first commotion now. Do something this side. You hear that? I'm just chewing this side, huh? I think it's another hyena's chewing. See some they are watching. Another wild dog on the termite mountain.
Take over filming for me. I want to watch this. I'll forget it. Take it over. Don't get the vehicle in it, please.
Yeah, the kitten and pollen. Should be the neck and the head.
Like this, Rob.
The other dog is limping. See that? That's probably injured by. The hyena got stronger jaws, powerful jaws. Maybe might have injured some few dogs. But it's not too bad. See the way he's walking. See? Feel like, hey, kitty.